Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off comments from a specific post on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Getting to know how to hide or disable comments full of unpleasant feelings is crucial in the everyday realities of Instagram. To prevent the risks of developing hate, Instagram has few tools that make handling comments easier. So without further ado, let's get started. Open the Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Select the post you want to turn off comments on. Tap vertical dots on the top right corner of the post. From the menu that appears on the screen, select Turn Off Commenting. So, this is how you can turn off comments from specific posts on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.